This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We're really going to discuss two big stories and a couple other things we're going to touch on today. The first big story is Walmart, even though it had a great last year, is projecting a softer growth this year in a tougher economy for Walmart. That has led the market to be down about 1% today. That's sort of the big news. A little bit of a hangover from Walmart's reporting of earnings early this morning and the market being down. A couple other stories that we're watching closely. The president says they're looking to cut defense spending. This is hitting some of the stocks that rely on defense spending right between the eyes. Palantir is down 10% yesterday, down 10% today. So that's Palantir. Another story we're following, Carvana gets beaten down today. A lot of questions about is Carvana real or fake, but it's grown and been up so much the last couple of years, it just knocked it out of the park. Finally, Mercedes-Benz pivoting more production away from electric vehicles as those sales are plunging and moving back to gas vehicles. So again, the two big stories today, Walmart projecting a softer growth in this coming year and the market taking a chin. Then Palantir tied to defense spending down 10% yesterday, 10% today. Mercedes-Benz moving away from EVs and Carvana also struggling. Those are a handful of the stories we're following today, leading off with Walmart and the markets. Thank you so much for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.